Hi guys, so this is a video of our second experience sailing with Keith. We went out there Monday night, slept on the boat, and then woke up at 7 to the sound of the engine firing up and went sailing. We woke up to quite a surprise too. There was a small craft advisory. The winds were gusting up to 40 miles an hour and we had 8 to 10 foot swells. So it was a pretty dicey day on the water. In fact, we were the only boat out there of any kind, motor or sail. Keith also had some tricks up his sleeve and things to teach us. So we're pulling out of the harbor and he has us raise the sails and he has us raise the main all the way up and let the jib all the way out. So we go sailing into the storm under full sail, which typically you reef your sail much prior to getting into the bad weather. So we got the opportunity to learn how to reef our sail in the middle of gale force winds, which was very, very challenging actually. At the end of the day, we learned a lot. We had a lot of fun, and we learned mainly that you can handle any weather situation and can actually be in control of your boat as long as your sails are set properly. So, great day on the sea, great day of learning, and we have Keith to thank for all of it. So thank you, Keith. In our next video, we intend to show you guys the sustainability aspect of our project. So we will show you our process for sprouting our plants, as well as our process for desalinating ocean water into fresh drinkable water. We filmed our first attempt at building a solar still, so we'll show you guys that. And we also want to show you guys a walkthrough of our living situation right now, as we are trying to get ready for being crammed on a 30-foot boat. So we'll see you guys next week, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.